everybody, Leanna Martens, your best choice for Edmonton real estate. Today, we are going to take a tour of this $1,225,000 custom infill home by Sajis and Builders. In one of West Edmonton's most desirable communities, Crestwood. Come on inside, let's go take a look. So thank you so much for coming on that tour with me in Crestwood. It is a beautiful property, tons of customizations. And what I want you to learn and notice is when you're working with custom infill builders, it's very different than when you're working with production builders and the types of detail and finish and function that you get. So if you have any questions about this build, make sure that you comment in the description below. And if you want to get a hold of me and my team, that's why we're here. So please use the same method. Go into the description below. All of our information is there. Reach out, and we specialize in interprovincial relocation. Subscribe as well, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next property tour.